Looking for the best portable dryer to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 5. Panda Electric Compact Portable Dryer. This small but efficient dryer is perfect for people living in apartments or dorm rooms who need a space-saving laundry solution. With a 1.5 cubic foot capacity, it's great for drying clothes without taking up much space. The stainless steel tub is durable yet gentle on fabrics, so it's safe for delicate items. Powered by an 850W motor, it dries clothes quickly and uses minimal energy. Its compact size makes it easy to fit into tight spaces, while still delivering excellent drying performance. Plus, the Panda dryer is portable, so you can move it around easily. It also runs quietly, so you can use it without disrupting the peace in your home. Number 4. Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer. The Euhomy Portable Clothes Dryer is a fantastic compact solution for those living in small spaces. It offers 1.5 cubic feet of drying space and operates at 850 watts, making it perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or RVs. This model is designed with a stainless steel tub, ensuring long-lasting durability while being gentle on your clothes. Its front-load design makes it easy to use and it handles small to medium loads efficiently without taking up much space. What sets the Euhomy dryer apart is its balance of size, portability, and effectiveness. Despite its compact size, it provides thorough drying, ensuring your clothes come out fresh and ready to wear. The machine is energy efficient, operating on a standard 110V outlet, and it's lightweight enough to be moved easily whenever needed. Number 3. Costway Compact Laundry Dryer. The Costway Compact Laundry Dryer is a small yet mighty solution for drying clothes in compact spaces. Designed with a durable stainless steel tub and a sleek exterior, this dryer is as durable as it is stylish. It offers 4 automatic drying modes to suit your laundry needs, ranging from delicate fabrics to bulkier items like towels and bed linens. This versatility, combined with its energy-efficient 110V operation, makes it a highly practical choice for apartments, dorms, or even RV living. What makes the Costway dryer a standout option is its user-friendly design. The control panel is positioned on the downside, making it easy to access and operate. Its compact size doesn't sacrifice power, as it delivers effective drying while taking up minimal space. You'll also appreciate its quiet operation, ensuring that your laundry routine won't disrupt your household. Number 2. Black+Decker Compact Dryer. The Black+Decker Compact Dryer offers the perfect blend of compact size and powerful performance. Capable of holding up to 13.2 pounds of laundry, it's designed to tackle full loads despite its space-saving frame. Whether you live in an apartment, dorm, or a small home, this dryer will seamlessly fit into your space while providing efficient drying power. It features 4 modes: air dry, cool, warm, and hot, giving you versatile options for handling various fabric types. You can expect professional-level results in the comfort of your own space. This dryer easily plugs into a standard wall outlet, making installation easy. The digital control panel is simple to navigate, and its energy-efficient design ensures you won't see spikes in your electricity bill. Whether drying heavy garments or delicates, this compact dryer is a reliable choice for handling your laundry needs without taking up precious space in your home. Number 1. Magic Chef Compact Laundry Dryer. The Magic Chef Compact Laundry Dryer offers a practical and space-saving solution for anyone needing a portable drying option. With its 2.6 cubic feet capacity, this dryer can handle a good load of laundry while maintaining its compact, lightweight design, ideal for small apartments, dorms, or even RVs. Its vented design ensures faster drying times while efficiently circulating air, making it as effective as it is convenient. You'll love how it balances power with portability, giving you a reliable option for handling laundry in tight spaces. What stands out is how easy this dryer is to use and set up. It plugs into a standard 110V outlet, eliminating the need for special installation. The control panel is straightforward, letting you adjust settings easily. Despite its small size, the Magic Chef Compact Dryer is powerful enough to dry clothes thoroughly, so you never have to worry about damp clothes again. Whether you're dealing with heavy towels or delicate fabrics, this dryer is designed to get the job done while fitting into your compact living space. And there you have it, the top 5 best portable dryers for any compact living situation. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below.